Welcome to this assembly of awareness that inspires us, that has given us today the mindful, impactful message. Be away from the drugs. Special thanks to our Sandeep sir, who is known for such type of wonderful creating environment and atmosphere. And equally special thanks to class 9th, who took keen interest in it, came up with courage to display a very good live demonstration. No word was exchanged, but the message was bold and clear. Chart presenters, thoughts, anchors. Dear students, this is a very gruesome problem, especially among the young ones. Here the name has been taken of metropolitan cities, but it is a shocking fact. Now it has taken the entry in the small villages and small towns like Pali also. Many lives, they have been destroyed. The students who were supposed to pursue their dreams of becoming MBA, CA, they are now in healing centers. The old parents are taking care of them, and the heavy, expensive medical bills are being paid by EMI by the parents because of one very bad company and intake of drugs. Yes, my dear lovely students, be away. This is horrific. This is terrific. This is horrible. Heart-threatening. One wonderful poem was presented just now, in that the message is very clear that initially it will be provided to you in a good company. Just take. Once you take, you will enjoy. You are in depression, this will be converted into celebration. Please take once, one shutta, one peg, one kash, and you'll be relaxed. Don't know, you'll be relaxed or you'll be perplexed forever. Small habits, they convert into nature, and then you become drug addict. The addiction of anything is bad. Especially, say no to drugs. If you love your parents, say no to drugs. If you love your career, say no to drugs. If you love your society, say no to drugs. If you love your school, say no to drugs. If you love yourself, say no to drugs. Because saying yes to the drugs will open the gateways of the hell forever to you. And once when you get the entry in the hell, there is no return back. You have to go, and you will end in such a disastrous, in a fatal way that you can never even think and imagine of. My dear lovely students, love yourself. Your life is very priceless. You are the dream for someone. You have dreams, but you are the dream of someone. Because of you, there is a glitter and a shining in someone's eyes. Those eyes who are awaiting for you to see you prosperous, to see you happy, progressing in the life. So be always surrounded in a good company. Take the best guidance and say no to such type of evils. Hope you will follow these things. Thank you so much. Special thanks, and let's put our hands together for 9th, wonderful grade 9th.
And our today's topic is
de-addiction. Addiction refers to the taking any substance that is harmful to our body. Now I would like to invite prayer girls for the prayer.
Kukui Nandante, Sumyo Kukai. संकट दे हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर नाम तपस्वी राजा जिनके कार्य सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों जो पर पाप तुम्हारा है पर सिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे सुन कंदन राम दुआरे अष्ट सिद्धि निधि के दाता असुर दीन ज्ञान की माता नाम रसायन तुमरे पासा सदा रहो के पासा तुमरे भजन राम को भावे जन्म जन्म के दुख सुनावे अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाई जान हरि भक्त कहोई और मेरे पापित न धरई हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरै हनुमत बल बीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई जो शरणागत पाप कर कोई छूटे बंदी महा सुख होय जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा तुलसीदास सदा रखेगा कीजय नाम के मानेगा पवन पवय संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसो सुरभूप श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम 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 श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
मेरा नाम हर्षवर्धन, मैं आपके सामने एक हिंदी सुविचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ। नशा जीवन का नाश है, इसे त्यागे और एक नई शुरुआत करें। स्वस्थ जीवन ही सच्चा सुख है। मैं अपना सुविचार पुनः दोहराना चाहता हूँ। नशा जीवन का नाश है, इसे त्यागे और एक नई शुरुआत करें। स्वस्थ जीवन ही सच्चा सुख है। धन्यवाद।
Class 9B. Today I am here to present English poem on addiction. The struggle against addiction is constant fight. It drains me of strength. It fills me with pride. The carving, the consume me, they never cease. They control me, they hunt me, they never release. The road to recovery is long and it's hard. It's filled with temptation and it's filled with scars. The struggle against addiction is daily battle. It tests me resolve and it threatens to settle. But I won't give in, I won't stumble. I will keep fighting until I won. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jutesh Rathore from class 9B. Today I am here to present English speech on topic de-addiction. De-addiction is a several issue that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by compulsive use of drugs. Despite the negative consequences that may result, de-addiction can lead to physical, emotional and social factors problem and can even be fatal. Addiction of can caused by a combination of genetic, environmental and social factors. The use of drugs can alter brain chemistry, making it difficult for individuals to stop using, even if they want to. Thank you.
नाम कल्पना कुमारी, मैं कक्षा 9वीं ब की छात्रा आज आप सभी के सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। कविता कुछ इस प्रकार है। धुआं धुआं सी जिंदगी खो गया है हर सपना, आदि हो गए हैं हम फिर भी न मिलता कोई अपना। कुछ पल का सुकून है जो दिल को बहलाता है, पर फिर वही सन्नाटा जो हमें अंदर से खाता है। मंजिल को ढूंढने हैं लेकिन रास्ता उलझा है, हर कदम में अंधेरे हैं फिर भी ये उम्मीदें ताज़ा है। सपने टूटते हैं धीरे धीरे दिल के जख्म सिखाते हैं, कभी खुद से हम डरते हैं फिर भी ये आदतें साथ आती है। क्या ये चक्र कभी टूटेगा? ना, यूं ही चलेगा हम। आदतों के पंजों में फंसे फिर भी खुश रहने का ढोंग करेंगे हम। हर दिन खुद को ढूंढता है फिर भी खो जाते हैं, दिल की गहराई में हर रात ये अंधेरे बढ़ जाते हैं। क्या कभी हमें अपनी गलती का एहसास होगा या ये आदतें हमें हमेशा के लिए छीन लेगी? हम संघर्ष करते हैं फिर भी नए रास्ते नहीं मिलते, इन्हीं लतों में जीते जी आत्मा मरती है। क्या कभी हम अपनी पहचान फिर से पाएंगे या इन आदतों में अपनी पूरी जिंदगी खो देंगे? वो पल जब हम जागेंगे, क्या कुछ बदल पाएगा या ये अंधकार हमें हमेशा की तरह घेर ले जाएगा? धन्यवाद।
Principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Krishna Gopal from class 9B here to present today's news in front of you. Minimum toxicity Delhi pollution crisis prompts WHF orders school closure. Movement SpaceX deployed India's 4,700 kg GS-80 satellite in space. CCT imposes rupees 213.14 crore fine on Meta over 2021 WhatsApp private policy. Global South hit by food fuel fertilizers crisis due to the conflicts via Modi at G20 summit. Former Maharashtra Home Minister Ali Deshmukh hurt in stone pitting on his car. Around 6.5 lakh of applications come in from PM internship scheme pilot project. Election Commission takes serious view of video posted by Jharkhand BJP asks EU for take actions. Designated hostage kills as cookie terrorist starts mass operation in 7 days. Manipur cabinet. Punjab Cyber Police arrested fraud cases in Assam. As Supreme Court dealt with pollution, Punjab recorded highest fire count. Thank you everyone for listening to me.
On behalf of class 9B, today I am presenting English talk on de-addiction. Drugs are wastage of time. They destroy your memory and self-respect and everything that along with your self-esteem. I repeat my thought. Drugs are wastage of time. They destroy your memory and everything that goes to your self-esteem. Thank you.
शिक्षकगणाः मम सहपाठिगणाः च नवम कक्षायाम् अहम् अभिनव शर्मा अस्मि। अद्य अहं निर्व्यसनम् उपरि एकं श्लोकं प्रस्तुतुम् इच्छामि। निर्व्यसनं परो धर्मः कामात् प्रमादात् प्रमुच्यते तदेव धर्मम् आचरेत् प्रज्ञावान प्रज्ञावान। अर्थात व्यसनों से मुक्ति सबसे बड़ा धर्म है, क्योंकि काम और प्रमाद से मुक्ति मिलती है। इसलिए बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति को इस धर्म का पालन करना चाहिए। इस श्लोक से हमें यह शिक्षा मिलती है कि व्यसनों को त्याग कर अच्छी जीवनचर्या को अपनाना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।